Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this 62 count pack of Cascade Platinum dishwasher detergent. So these come in these little pods. Here's the packaging. Very shiny. Recommended by all these brands. You just put one in per load. It's really nice. Kind of works like Tide Pods for the dishwasher. Ooh, and running the dishwasher daily saves water. Cool. And the ingredients. All right, let's get into it. So it's in a nice packaging. I think you put your finger here and tear it, yeah. Oh, really nice, safe packaging for children. So could appreciate that. Great job, Cascade. Kind of messed up the tearing of this. Let's get it. Let's do it. Boom. Yeah, then this lid stays on, which is nice. You could flap it up and down. I messed it up a little bit here, but it's really nice. So put in one of these every load dishwasher. 3 nice colors here. White stuff there. Really nice. Works well. If you're interested, I'll drop a link in the video description below on where you can order this from. And let me know what you think of this product in the comment section. Alright everyone, hope you're all doing well. Catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.